Number 20 to number 77. Number 77 to number 20. Number 20, pass number 14 sa ilalim. Easy to go. Foul, number 77. Number 77. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 0, 17. Number 17. Pass number 3, no good. Rebound by number 6. Pass number 73 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 13. Pass number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 6. Number 6. 10-second shot clock. Number 21. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Number 17. Dribble the ball. Number 17. Aboy na po ng foul. Galing kay number 20. Number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 3. Pass to number 18, no good. Rebound by number 77. Number 77. Natapikan. Steffi on the line.
Manito mo muna.
14-second shot clock. Pass to number 6. To number 20. 10-second shot clock. Traveling violation. Number 17. Dribble the ball. Number 17. Number 21. Number 21. First personal foul. 13 foul. Number 18. Black team number 14. Steal by number 16. Number 21. Number 21. Again. Pass to number 20. Number 20 to number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 73. Number 73. Foul. Number 77. Pass to number 17. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Basket is good. Basket again. Number 77, pass to number 14 to number 21. To number 20. To Mira, no good. Rebound by number 73, pass to number 17 to number 18, no good. Rebound by number 3. No good. Number 14 to number 6 is still by number 73. Number 73, pass to number 3. Basket is good by number 18. Dalawa na po ang mga ng score shots. Traveling violation. Number 7, number 3 to number 44 to number 8, Pump Tuira. Basket is good for 3. Number 14. Lamang na po ng isa. Alley-oop. Good. For 3. No good. Number 44. Pass to number 17. Easy 2 points. Lamang na po ng Loang alley-oop. Sablang po. Sablang po. Iwan lang po si number 73. Iwan po siya dyan.
Nakakalito yung tawag.
Number 5. Pass to number 3. To number 93. Number 93. Number 5. Number 5. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number. Out of bounds. Alley-oop. Ball. Number 44 to number 0. Dribble the ball. To number 17, to number 44. Number 44, ang ganda nun! Easy 2 points! Basket is good by number 14. Number 14 to number 44. Again, no good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 to number 5. Number 5. Easy. Pass to number 14. To number 93. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 5. 5 seconds shot clock. Steal. Number 14. Pass to number 73. Pass to number 17. To number 73. Number 73, pass to number 0. Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 14. Anong tawag ng ref? Foul. Galing kay number 93. Penalty, ref. First personal foul penalty. Number 93, apat ka na po. Number 5. Number 5 is steal. Number 73, pass to number 0. Number 0 to number 14. Number 14 nilabas. Number 14, pass to number 0. To number 73. To number 14 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Steal by number 44. Number 44, pass number 0 to number 17. To number 44. Number 44, pass number 0 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. To number 93. Number 93, ganda ganito. Good rebound by number 14. Number 14. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Basket is good by number 17. Nakuha ng foul galing kay number 73. Number 73. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 5 to number 93. Number 93 pass to number 5 to number 19. Number 19, ginagabalang tatlo pass to number 5. Nakuha ng foul. Number 73, again, second personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 93, pass number 14 sa ilalim na kuha, foul counted. Foul, galing kay number 44. Number 44, first personal foul, third team foul.
Egis, tatlo!
Bonus shot, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, grip the ball. Steal by number 5. Number 5. Number 5, tumangga, no good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19. Foul, number 19. Pinilit. Nakuha ng jumbo. Jumbo. Sabrep. Hollywood. Ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Official score 40-35 in favor of Hollywood. Number 40. Number 40. To number 44. Tumira. Libre. What a nice shot by number 44. Number 5. Lumalayo na po ang halamangan ng alley-oop shot. Number 14. Nakatag number 73. 15 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock. Time remaining 56 seconds. Number 5. 10 second shot clock for 3. What a nice shot by number 5. Number 0. 40 seconds. To number 14. To number 0 again. Number 0 to number 14. 10 second shot clock. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 14. To number 5. Number 5 to Mikot. Still by number 0. To number 73. For 3. Oh, Balbaron. Kita. Number 5. Pass to number 3. Number 3 to number. No good. Rebound by number 73. Pass to number 17. Number 17. And of the third quarter.